This is a tutorial for Java programming. But before you continue, please open your browser and let's download IntelliJ Java IDE. Then we go to the JetBrains website. Then we download the Java community version, which does not require you to pay anything for that. We have two kinds of downloads that you can do here. You can either download the IntelliJ IDE Ultimate, the IntelliJ IDE Community Edition. This is for free, and you can use it for the tutorial that we are going to have in this particular section. If you have money and you want to buy, you can download the Ultimate version and then you pay for that. But I definitely hope that you want to try the community version, or if you still have money, please pay for them, because it's very difficult to come out with a software that can do that much. Once you download it, you click on installed and you follow the on-screen commands that install it. Then after installation and everything is successful, then we can open the IDE, the IntelliJ IDE, Java IDE, and then use it for this particular tutorial. So these are a couple of programs that I already have here. I want us to start a new project. Go to this section, File, then go to New, then select Project. Then you can say, or you can name this project as Java Tutorials. Any other way that you see fit. Then you can select a location at which you save the program. Then we select location. I prefer to put this program on my desktop. So if you're not seeing the desktop straightforward, sometimes it will be like this. So you go to Users, Public, or you go to your username on the Windows PC. Then you select desktop, or any other place that you want to put it, you select it, then you put the program. It will work, it will run portably. I want to put it on my desktop in the folder that I've named already over there, that I've created already over there, called Java Programs or Java Pro. Then I'll say select that folder, and then I'll say create the program. I'll do that in a new window that will close the previous one. And when it happens, what I'll do is to close this. Then I have to close this page and get back to my Java IDE, enlarge it, and get something like this. And this is a basic Java program that you see the moment you create a program in IntelliJ IDE for the first time. We are not going to do anything to this program, and besides, I want to delete all this so that we can have our new file, or probably even deleting this, closing that particular file. They have, for Java programs, where Java files are stored is called a SOX or SRC folder. This is where you have all the Java files that will be installed here. Don't worry, you'll get to know much as you move on. At this session, I want to end our introduction to Java programming here. Then we will continue on to how to actually code using Java. Thank you for watching.